Here I have two beakers filled with liquids. I'm going to take two pieces of candle at different sizes. The small one, a slightly larger one, they're identical otherwise. I'm going to place the smaller one in this beaker, and the other one I'll place in the other beaker. And you see that the one sinks and the other floats. And the response of the students often will be, well, the lighter one floats, and therefore the heavy one sinks. Well, let's do a little experiment. We'll take the little one out, and we'll also take the bigger one out, and now we'll have them change positions. So we'll put the little one in the liquid here, and it goes to the bottom, and the big one floats. So what's happening? Well, I obviously have different liquids. What I have in this beaker is water, and the density of candle wax is less than the density of water. And so therefore the candle floats, regardless of how much I have, because density is a property of the material. It's immaterial of how much I have. Whether I have a little bit or a lot makes no difference. The density stays the same. And so you can see that the candle itself floats and therefore must be less dense than water. In the second beaker I have methanol, methyl hydrate, material we find in the jug here. So this is methyl hydrate. Its density is less than the density of the candle. And so the candle then sinks. The candle is more dense than methanol, and therefore it sinks in the methanol. And so we have two different liquids. They look identical. They do smell different. They'll have different properties. And one of those properties is a difference in density. And so the candle sinks in the methanol, but floats in the water. And so it doesn't depend on the size. It depends on the relative densities of the two materials that I'm putting into my liquid. A great demonstration to see if students have understood the concept of density. The methanol that's in this beaker can be reused, and because you haven't contaminated it very much, the wax doesn't dissolve in the methanol, and so you can pour that back in the container and use it again for other purposes. Don't